Like minded group na Manipuri awana tarabay mong kayada letter mating panglapagi saruk amo oina February 3 da hangang awang likay da layba ibo chow amadi Michael anigi yung candle dagi horpa may natum na sakre haba pawag tab dagi LMG gi thomising na Khudak Khudak-Ki tingbang oina lupa lising tara mating pangduna imung asigi awaba da saruk yakre tingbang khongchet adu group asigi secretary Ojit Sorok haibam na lusingki khongchet adu da treasurer Pujekeswar Mangsetabam assistant secretary Surendra Ningomba member Surjit Ningomsa Birahari Waikhom Suni Nongthomam Joykumar Thoksom amadi Boinau Maibam na chingbana saruk yaki Singapore da sahi khudingi malemgi thakta pangthokpa powerlifting Singapore National Championship handak sahi gi oinasu tha asigi February 13 dagi 35 faw pangthokre powerlifting Singapore National Championship English singaniga kungataruk aduda nupigi master 1 under 69 category da Manipur dagi sarang them ongbi Puspa Salamna silver medal ama lobong angkre mahang na punba weight kg chaniga humputra tret dasmik mga thangatki competition asigi mamangda chahi asigi January tang ahumda pangthokhiba reform powerlifting and bench press classic 4 2026 tasu master 1 under 69 category da gold medal amaga silver medal amaga su lobong angkhibani Naga tribe ki luingai ni kumaina lakpada Kuki Inpi Manipur gi makai dagi yathok pokjil pirakli Kuki Inpi Manipur na thadorokpa cherol amada yaning thagi matamga iroinana Naga tribe ki khwaitigi chawba luingai ni festival asina lakpada ishorna chanbiba tinjung kaijang daba ing sikpa tangdu laitaba punsi oirasano haiki matam asida khundaminariba community sing amana amagi marakta lainariba mari masang munna khangminaba tangai fade kumay asina lakpada community gi marakta tangdu laitaba akhangganba amadi masel marakta lainariba ikai kumnabagi lambida khongdamina si haiki cherol aduna makataraduna festival asigi manungda tekta kaidana sathok sasin tawbada miyamna mating pangbinaba appeal tawbaga loinana naga amadi Kuki gi marakta lainariba mari hena chasinaba wafum su phongdokhi National Housing Bank amadi Asian Pacific Union for Housing Finance ani na kusamnaduna Annual International Conference ama February 13 dagi 13 fawba New Delhi gi Bharat Mandapam da pangthokre hiromasiga mari lenana Oripok Torang Momlekai leba Panthoibi Housing and Finance Company Limited na thokiba cherol amagi matong inna conference adu evolving landscape of housing finance industry stability and sustainability haiba hiramda housing for all gi manglan mangfaunanaba amadi khananenanaba stakeholders sing amsung hiramasida experience lerba kaya galoinana platform amagi makada punna chaminanaba National Housing Bank amadi Asian Pacific Union for Housing Finance na lokalakwa khongthang amani hairi conference adu dalenga ki policy makers development financial institution housing agencies housing finance agencies multilateral institutions fintech solution providers secondary mortgage market ki participants rating agencies credit bureau amadi foreign delegation kaya na saruk yagani haina cherol adu da pankhi